Well, Natalia says that the most important medical test for us, this is blood test for HIV, syphilis, hepatitis. So we understand that we are entitled to work with you. Then sperm count, if we have good quality of sperm, motile sperm, and what amount of sperm we can use. Any medical test you have done before, even several years ago, some history of your infertility, maybe some medical certificates which show why the previous IVF attempt was unsuccessful or why was a miscarriage. So all the medical information you already have, together with HIV syphilis test and sperm count, which is the most important for us. Hi again, what does clinic need to evaluate my chances for IVF success? Как мы можем оценить шансы на успешность IVF, что нам для этого нужно? We still have 2 minutes, so we can be disconnected in 2 minutes. I just warned about this, but we will try to answer these left questions.
Ну, надо знать возраст, надо понимать, были ли программы, есть ли какие-то генетические отклонения, то есть генетический тест пары. Ну, наверное, это очень индивидуально, потому что какую программу вы сейчас задаете вопрос? Это программа по суррогатному материнству, донат зооцитов, то есть от этого зависит успешность.
Well, we need to understand if you're asking about IVF just for yourself, with egg donation, with surrogate, and we should know your age, your previous experience of pregnancy and child delivery, if you had IVF attempts before. So we really need to evaluate and obtain all that information. Will I be able to get legal consultation before I choose the surrogate? Of course, as I told, we provide you with free of charge Skype consultations. You just order Skype consultation on our webpage or email us and we can schedule it. Any contract that I should sign before I actually start. All the relations between all the parties are fixed by agreements with us at the agency, with legal services company, which is our partner, with the clinic and with the surrogate. So mostly there are 4 of them. Is there any possibility to monitor surrogate's pregnancy when I'm in my country? Thank you so much for the information. Yes, I already told before about the personal page, so all the information will be presented here. If you need some additional information, we can just discuss it by individual Skype consultation. But personal page is a very nice method to monitor pregnancy of surrogate. What do I need to start the process? First of all, I think that we have to communicate with you, to talk with you, to explain you all the blogs we discussed today, organizational blog, medical blog, legal blog. You should ask all the questions. So just after 100% your informed decision, you can come to Ukraine and meet us in person so we can start the process. Before, we should first of all talk to you, understand what are your criteria to surrogate an egg donor. It would be nice if we could obtain some medical tests of your history of previous pregnancy or IVF and send it to the doctor to evaluate some chances, to know some general information of you, like age, health, partner you have, information about him. All this information we need to start the process, and we will send you all the contracts, legal documents, and surrogate profile and egg donor profile by the internet. I also would like to stress that our medical specialists which work in Natalia's clinic, which are her colleagues, will be tomorrow in Stockholm. So if you wish to have to talk to them, to meet with them, so it would be nice if you just inform us before that. We could schedule a meeting with them. We have already several Swedish people who contacted us and asked the meeting with the doctor, so you could have an appointment, show all your medical tests, describe your history, your situation, and I think that will be the first step for you just to trust and to trust us and to start the process. We also have the question, are there any insurance for unexpected costs like the surrogate is hospitalized during the pregnancy? Well, as we already discussed the issue of insurance, we are at the process of launching this project. We're negotiating with the insurance company, and I think that in several months I can offer you insurance program specifically for hospitalization of surrogate, for risk of miscarriage, for example. Well, it depends on what insurance company is able to provide us with. In general, we're working over that issue, and I will be ready to answer that question exactly, because we also anxious, worry about aspect of insurance, because we understand this is very important, because as we are talking about medical program, there could be many unexpected costs. Because pregnancy is not so easily prognosed process, not so predictable process. That is why there should be insurance program, and I'm sure that there will be the possibility to offer you something concerning all those expenses if the insurance company will be able to offer that. Well, I think that we will be disconnected very, very soon, maybe even in several seconds. I really want to thank you for joining us. You can, again, order Skype consultation, you can call us, you can email us, and we are ready to answer all those questions again. We can establish, we can fix Skype consultation with a medical specialist, or you can meet him in person in Stockholm. So thank you very much, dear audience. It was a great pleasure. And we all, me, Natalia and Lyudmyla, are really honored and hope that you had an opportunity to obtain the most useful information for us. If we didn't touch some issues you're interested in, of course, you can contact us earlier, and so we can continue the process. So thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.